In this video, we're going to show you how to install the under-engine splash guard on your Jeep Grand Cherokee located under the front portion of the engine. Loosen and remove the two 13mm bolts on the back side. On the front side here, there is a plastic trim button here. We want to remove this. So we're going to use our trim tool and pop out the center of this. I'm going to remove our 10mm bolts, securing the rest of the front. On the sides here, they're going to be a 10mm bolt. You got to remove that bolt there and repeat for the driver's side. Now once we remove the bolt from the driver's side, we can go ahead and lower down our plate here. Work that down and out. Go ahead and line up your splash shield here. We need to get the front sections in around the fender liner. Get our back bolts started here. On the front section, we're going to go ahead and install our plastic push pin first. And then we can go ahead and start getting our 3 bolts in across the front. Install your lower bolts on the side of the splash guard. All right, get that bolt in there, and we'll repeat for the driver's side. Let's snug down our 10mm bolts across the front side here. Let's tighten down the two 13s. Snug down the bolt there, repeat for the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.